This installation is generally divided into the following steps. Choose appropriate position for installation. Preparation before installation. Installation of indoor unit. Installation of outdoor unit. Leak detection. Trial operation. Appropriate position for installation. An appropriate position should be chosen before the installation of split air conditioner. Here are some inappropriate positions of installation. There is heat source or steam source near the installation position. There are obstacles which block the air circulation near the installation position. There is fume or droplet near the installation position. Being too close to combustible objects such as curtain, clothing, and other movable items. Position which is within 1 meter, 40 inches, far away from television, stereo, or other household appliances. Ventilation is poor and there are obstacles around, which may affect airflow. Position where flammable, explosive, or corrosive gas may leaks. It is recommended that customized anti-corrosion air conditioner for the area like seaside where corrosion is strong. It is recommended to build shelters above the outdoor unit in the area with heavy snow or heavy rain. It is recommended to build a barrier in front of the outdoor unit towards the wind direction in strong windy area. Choose the position with well ventilation, but also sheltered from the rain and direct sun, exposed if possible. When the outdoor unit is installed along the street, additional wind backflow device should be taken into consideration to prevent wind from blowing pedestrian directly. Preparation before installation. Leveling ruler, screwdriver, adjustable wrench, electrical drill. Before installation, please verify the indoor unit model number and outdoor unit model number to make sure they are compatible. Check if all the accessories are there. Fix the mounting plate. Measure the relative dimensions to the indoor unit. Release the fixing screw of the mounting plate and remove it. Confirm the installation position according to the relative dimensions to the indoor units and make sure it is level with a leveling tool. The indoor unit should keep a minimum distance to surrounding objects. Mark the positions of screw holes with a pencil or other tool. Drill screw holes. Insert the plastic archer. Fix the mounting plate with screws. Check again to ensure the leveling. Determine the suitable position of wall hole according to different pipe exit direction and expected installing position of outdoor unit. Try to avoid electricity wires or pipes inside the wall. Indoor side should be at least 1 centimeter, 0.5 inches, higher than outdoor side, which is good for drainage and also avoids rain to go inside. The wall hole should be a little lower than the lower side of indoor unit. If the connection pipes come out from side of the unit, using different drilling tools for different wall material. Put on wall socket. Connect the extra drain pipe and seal the connection with glue. Copper pipe and connecting wire after wrapping are threaded slowly through wall hole to prevent from colliding with the wall or bending. Hang the indoor unit on the hook of mounting plate. Insert the lower part of indoor unit into the groove of mounting plate. Remove the protection film of the panel. Open the panel, take out one of the filter and put the functional filter into the position. Put the filter back and close the panel. Installation of outdoor unit. There should be enough space for ventilation and service when the outdoor unit is installed. Put the outdoor unit on a flat and tough ground. Determine the positions of fixing bolts according to the holes in the feet of outdoor unit. Drill the holes for fixing bolts. Insert the expansion bolts by a hammer and remove the fixing nut and washers. Put on the outdoor unit and make sure the fixing bolts go through the holes of the feet. Fit spring washer and flat washer. Fix the nuts to ensure the stability of the outdoor unit. Connecting the pipes to the outdoor unit. Screw type. Remove the valve protection cover. Look at the quick connectors of both connection pipes and stop valves. The pipe is supposed to be connected to the valve that has the same color protection cover as the one of the pipe. Remove both covers in same color of pipe and valve and connect them together. Fix the nut by hand until it's hard to be rotated. Tighten the nut furtherly with 2 spanners. Wiring of connection cable and power cable. Remove the big handle and remove the panel of wiring hole. Make the connection cable with the plug and power cable through the 2 holes on the big handle. Plug in the connection cable into the socket of outdoor connection cable. Connect the live neutral and earthing wire to the relative positions of outdoor terminals. Unscrew the screws of pressing card and remove the pressing card. When threading the wire, pay attention to maintain suitable curvature and the wire shall not be pulled too straight. Mount the pressing pad and tighten screws to ensure the cables are pressed properly. Put the big handle back. Leakage test. Unscrew valve cap of both valves and make the valve core fully opened. You can use soapy water to dope the connections. Apply soapy water. Washing powder is inapplicable, of high concentration to all interfaces of nuts with brush. Then observe it for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this as needed. If bubbles emerge, leakage exists in the system. Nut should be tightened further. Drainage test. Open the panel and remove one of the filters. For certain amount of water, slowly through the upper part of evaporator to check whether drainage is smooth. After it is ensured that water flows through drain pipe smoothly, drain pipe should be inserted into outside drain pipeline. Put the filter back and close the panel. Use damping adhesive to seal the wall hole to prevent foreign materials from entering the interior.